Is your DEWALT DW735 planer looking like this and not sending the planings out the port? Chances are it's clogged like this one. Here's how to safely fix this problem. Start by making sure your cable is unplugged. Take the included key and remove the 4 bolts on top. The top middle of the top part easily comes out. Remove the 3 additional finger screws and put them aside. The exhaust port rotates out by forcing towards the top. This is where the clog is. Empty it out and use a vacuum to make sure it's clean and clear. To re-add the exhaust port, align the open line with the line on the machine, then push down. Re-add the red screws, then the top part with the 4 bolts. Your DW735 planer should be right back in action. Time to clean up this mess it made. Thanks for watching.